Hello YouTubers, we're doing an unboxing video today on the aerox version 2 suspension upgrade, some KYB shock setup. See what we get in here. We're going to have a rear suspension, KYB. Pretty nice. Looks much better than what comes stock on the bike. Let's set these aside and look at the money shot here, the JVT front end. Oh, they're heavy. These are the 31mm JVT front shocks with an adjustable settings on them for rebound or preload. It's the whole kit. This is JVT on it. Looks very nice for the money. Take a look at these up close. These are the gold 31mm models. They will be getting installed on our touring setup 2023 aerox version 2 66mm scooter. You can definitely check out the shorts video to see the specs on it on our channel. If there's anything you'd like to know, please send me a comment and I'll try to answer the questions for you. In the next 2 or 3 days, we will have these installed and we will be doing an install video.